Today we will discuss about Docker. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay, wait 5 minutes. Today we'll discuss about how data source implemented using Docker. Okay, first I am explaining what is the Docker. Okay, first I am explaining what is the Docker. Okay, this is what is the Docker means. Docker is the one image. Every Docker have one Docker hub is there. We can pull the image into Docker and we can container and we can deploy the application in the Docker image. Another thing, how to create a container, how to pull image, everything we need to show in the real-time scenarios. This is containerization of the software. Okay, Docker is a open platform for developers and system administration to build, ship, and run distributed applications. Okay, and this is application server 1, application 2, and application 3. This is the VMware. VMware associated into the 3, and this is the server, and this is the host OS, this is the hypervisor. In the VMware, it will be this is the picture. This is the VMware picture. Okay, visualization. Okay, this is the guest house. After this, containerization, nothing but in the container, the Docker container consists of only this part. I will explain this. See, in OS, this is the part bin guest OS bin everything. Okay, in Docker apps bins like this. See difference app bin guest OS. Okay, here OS not comes under containerization server host OS under Docker engine. Okay, this is the difference here. Virtualization guest OS is there. Okay, in VMware we can install OS and OS we can use like this. I will show you example. This is my VMware. This is my VMware. VMware consists of the OS. Click and upload, open, up, upload the ISO files. Okay, ISO files. But here cloud Cloud consists of EC2 instances. Already we can image is there. We can load image in GCP or AWS, whatever it is, and we can install. We can directly we can use the image. Okay, I will show you the practical. Don't worry about that. Okay, after this is VM versus Docker. See, virtualization machine, server, and host OS hypervisor. This is guest OS. Okay, here guest OS is not available. Over here in the instead of guest OS, this is the Docker engine. Docker engine is a layer of the Docker runs. It's a lightweight runtime tool and manage containers, builds, and more. Okay, I will show you the practicals. Why Docker containers are lightweight means VMwares and again I am comparing VMwares and the cloud containerization. See here guest OS and build this part will comes under VMwares. This only two maintenance, only application maintenance, containerization. You can upload, you can copy image, you can modify whatever it is. But OS you can take care providers, AWS provider and the GCP providers. You can take care of them. Why Docker means easy use and speed purpose and Docker Hub. Docker Hub benefits increasingly rich ecosystem of Docker Hub, which you think as App Store, Docker Image, Docker Hub, and 10,000 of public images created by community that are readily available for use. And very scalability and high availability, everything is there. Docker benefits, local development and benefits to set up exact replicas of live environment and servers. Collaboration allowing anyone to work same project with the same settings irrespective of the local host environments. Okay. So suppose I build one project. You can know how many times you can change and modify and irrespective of the local machines. Multiple development environment from same host, and each one having different configuration, operating system, and softwares. Okay, this is most important in the Docker application portability. Build a file and ship and run and testing and run the application in Docker machine. This is Docker reduce eliminate concept, different platforms, cheap and zero penalty of containers to deploy the service. A VM without the overhead of virtualization. This is the basics of Docker system. Okay, this is the container. This is the image. We can create container under the image, and we can upload the Docker image, and we can modify, and we can retrieve all the things. Docker engine on top of the OS, we have Docker engine is there. This is the changes. Suppose this is Docker image, this is Docker engine, this is Docker engine. In the Docker image, you can push the image, push the whatever containers, the containers, container A, modification and everything. Okay, in the container, and we can push the Docker container and any updates, and we can retrieve that. Host is running okay, like this. End user Docker full run rm space and Docker remove Docker history, everything is there. We can see practicals, Docker containers, commands build. Okay, multi-container Docker application via YAML and start stop scalable command, and this is the commands. Okay, so we will see how to run the Docker. Okay, this is this. Okay, this is the steps. So we can install Docker image and see yum update. I had a Docker repository as shown below, and we can use this, create this, go to, this is my, these two are GCP already installed Docker, and this is Linux, this is EC2 instance. Okay, can use yum update. I am using yum update command. Yes, yum update. After that, I am installing the Docker, and we have pull the image, Docker image, and we have started the Docker DB database, Oracle database. AWS OS is taken care by providers, AWS providers. Now I am installing. I am after I am update. Now I am installing the Docker. Each one by one step. We can go through the documentation and we can do practical. Now I am creating the data source using Docker image. Please, if any issues, please comment. Okay, comment in the comment section. Okay, running microcode. Okay, rip GCC. Verifying complete. Now we are creating a file and we can paste below lines this same thing. Okay, now save it and we can install the Docker image by using this command. Yes, we can install from root user. After this, we can start the Docker systemctl dot docker. Yes, okay. Here I will show Docker image. Okay, Okay. After executing that, we can systemctl start docker. Okay. After executing that, enable docker. Okay. After enable docker, and we can pull docker image. After that, we can pull uh, Oracle image. See, image is already there, so it is up to date. So after this image is created, you can run the container docker. This is pass. You can create. See, this is Oracle container. Okay, username and password it will be there. Okay, like this. If a name I given here, middleware tech dot online. Okay, I am executing this. Already allocated. Okay, memory is already allocated, so it will not come. Already I have installed it. Okay, 1521 is already allocated. I am using 1522. I will use 1522 port number. Okay, middleware tech dot online. D for installing purpose. I will show you online. Reuse name. Okay, container be able to reuse name. Okay, middleware tech. Middleware technologies. Okay, this is created docker image. This is created. Okay, after this you can run docker images. Can run docker images. Okay, this is the docker image I created. After this can start and stop image docker start Oracle. Okay, this is the way to create the docker image, and we can start the docker image like this. We can run docker image like this. Go to this SQL plus username is, what is the username? This is the username. Okay, this is the username. Password is Oracle 123. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, it will come. I have SQL developer is there. I will show you in the SQL developer. username is middleware technologies, port number is 22. Okay, localhost password is Oracle123. Test connection. Okay, Oracle. It is not a local host. This is server 3 dot middleware text dot online. Or I have another database is there. We can look. We can look as admin. I have another database. We can verify spelling mistake as admin. So success message. Wanna connect the database. Server 3. See, as admin database is there. Now we can open here. This is the query build. Select a star from users. Can build here. Table does not exist. Select star from WebSphere. Will a table exist? Yes. In the name, version, and release is exist. Okay. Like this, you can create image and you can start the image and you can use this image in the real-time scenarios. Okay. So I already started. This is my server image. Exit. SQL plus username vs admin, password. This is my server one. This is my server one already connected. Select star from WebSphere. Table does not exist. Select star from vs admin. Select star from or create a table employee. Okay, create create table. Otherwise, we have used SQL developer here. This is my SQL developer. We can use. Okay, here we can use. This is my SQL developer. We can use in the SQL developer. The SQL developer how many tables are there? You can see in the view tables. This is my tables. Bash is bash is one table. This is okay. We can select a star from bash. No rows. Insert into bash values. Okay. Insert into bash values. Only single character only. Okay, otherwise I will use here, or we can use right click, single record or count view. Okay, right click, table, column. You can import to data. This is right click, insert into bash values. Guys, okay. Okay, you can understand like this. Okay, insert into bash values. You can use, okay. Now you can use the database name. Go to, I am opening the console, server one dot, middleware tech dot online, 9043 slash IBM slash console. I am logging the console. Okay. I started the servers are not verifying. Servers are started, no issues reported. SSL issue also resolved. Okay. After this, go to the security, global security. I am defining here username and password. I am defining here Java authentication and authorization. Okay. Click Oracle user alias name. You can use here bash admin. Enter the password. Okay, description. Save. Okay, this credentials will give use to the database team. After that, go to resources, go to JDBC, click particular JDBC provider. Now, already I have tested, so I am installing my data source in my dynamic cluster. Select database. We can use DB2 50,000 is the port number, Oracle 1521 is the default port number, and SQL Server 1433, MySQL 3306. Now we are using SQL Server. So provider is Oracle JDBC driver, and implementation type XM is multiple databases. We have to connect single time. Connection pool means only single database connect at a particular time. This is my universal driver path. All drivers located in this path connectivity purpose. This OJDBC 8.jar is available under the my this is server one, right? Okay. Exit, exit, sudo cd opt IBM WebSphere app server universal drivers lib ls star dot. These are the jar files allocated. Okay. OJDBC 8, OJDBC 11. Okay. chmod -r 775 stop. Okay. Like this available. So we can install. Next, created the JDBC provider. By using provider, we have create data source. Go to the data source. You here my database name is admin JDBC slash data source name. See, this is my database name. Database name is admin. Okay. See, this is the URL for connecting the my URL. See, this is URL admin column and this is the my connection URL. Okay. Next, you can use server 3 dot middleware technologies tech dot online. This is my connection URL, and we have map here. Oracle user is the database. We have map default principal map Oracle user. Okay. Next, this is the data source we have created. The real-time scenarios. Save. After this data source is created, now we are giving here. Go to system administration. Go to environment. Go to WebSphere variables and go to here dynamic cluster. This is created automatically. Okay. This is the class path. Go to system administration. Under the node agents, select all. You can press restart all servers on the node. Okay, you can press restart all servers on the node. Restarting the servers. After restarting, we have performed the test connection from the database. Restart. Go to data source. Click particular JDBC provider. Click Oracle driver JDBC provider and click data source. Perform and test connection. See, one node is successful, another node is not synced. That is the issue. We can sync the node and we can get the data source test connection result as a success. See, I perform data source test connection as successfully. See, this is server 3 I am using. I will use server 1 here. Go to, I have two databases, two installed databases under two machines. Okay, I am testing here database. Okay, changes, press, and we are using here system system. Okay, everything is correct. Save changes. System is here we can connect here. We can test here. Then we can perform system. This is server 1 dot wherever tech dot online. Success. Okay, no issues reported. Okay, no issues reported. So we can use that system username. Okay, apply, save changes. We can restart all servers on the nodes. Any changes happen, we can restart all servers on node. Okay, Okay. Go to JDBC providers. Click particular JDBC provider. Go to the data source. Select. I changed another server. Username password. Okay, sorry, I will not map right here. See, I am not map Oracle 2. That is the mistake. Okay, go to the security and verify one more time. JAWS, GDC authentication on the system. See, system Oracle 2. Okay, right? Everything is perfect. We can restart all servers on the node. Go to data source here. Go to directly data source. And we can click dynamic cluster and select test connection. One server is success, one server is unable to connect, no two is running to try to test connection. Restart is going on, okay? That is backend, that is the thing happened. Yeah, success. No issues reported, okay? Now we are accessing the application. Go to application. I deployed the application HR listener, okay? What is the context rule? HTTP, yes, uh, server 1 dot middleware techco dot online 19075 slash HR HR listener, and this is the tables. Display the database tables. Okay, this is database tables displaying. Okay, table names and all the things. This is a real time. You can display the closure connection. Display and closure the connections. Okay. See, this is the real-time database data source connection. See, JNDA connection, you open it, connect to the Oracle. This is the list tables in servlet and a list in the tables. Okay, this is the SQL developer. By using SQL developer, we can perform the operation of SQL database, SQL resources, creating, updating, creating the user. So I am create user YouTube. I am creating the user YouTube. Okay, I am creating the user YouTube. Okay, YouTube user YouTube is created. Okay, say select star from insert into create table user YouTube name of the channel name varchar 30. It will use only. I am taking only one. Okay. Oh, YouTube channel and the channel name and a table is created and you can insert into YouTube values. See, one row is inserted. Okay, so I can retrieve select a star from YouTube. YouTube is the user and a table. Okay, alter table. Okay, select a star from YouTube. Alter table name. Okay, table name is there like this. Select star from YouTube. One ID in the table consists of insert like this. You can use. Okay, you can insert a column under records. Everything need to be inserted in the graphical mode by using SQL Developer tool, Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, run the query, source, anything, connect to Git, connect to Subversion, tools, database copy and database difference, database export, database migration, migrate to cloud migration, say connection, everything is the AWS gases keys and the secret keys, S3 bucket URL, everything need to be used. Then you can press next. Okay. After that, we can migrate the database connect database. Okay. After that, AWS Redshift connection is established. Okay. After that, Windows configure Windows okay, like this. Close Oracle. Windows close as Windows close all documents. Disconnected. Disconnected. Right click on disconnected. About connection disconnected. Okay. Delete. Okay. Like this happened in the real time scenarios. Close it window. Another thing is planned by WebSphere. Secure connection. My connection is secure application. This is my certificate imported. I have imported in the my I have imported my my key stores. Okay, key store and trust store is there. My personal certificate means you can import in the key store, and a third party certificate you can import under trust store. Okay. After this, go to data source. Under data source connections connection pool, data source. Okay, use system connection pool properties. This is the minimum and the maximum connections. See, minimum is 0, maximum is 180 connections. After 180 millisecond connection is timeout. This is the read time. This is unused timeout. This is purge policy entire pool. If any connection is there, we can throw out of the pool. Any connection fails, only failed connection is thrown out of the pool. Okay. These are the differences. Verify just connection success. No issues reported. Now I am log out the console. Okay. This is the document. Okay. Thank you. I will close the session. Okay. Thank you for watching this. You can share and subscribe.